I can also give written comments. Once I have a score recorded in the gradebook, if you click this down arrow next to it, you can do this quick comment feature, which allows you to attach some notes to a grade. So this student got a 9 out of 10, so maybe I want them to speak up more in class or something like that. And I can put that note so they can see that. And that's also some feedback for me if somebody asks me later, like, why did I give this student a 9 versus 10? There's also this grading notes thing. And grading notes is specific to the instructor or the TAs in the class. Maybe I don't want that feedback for the student to see, but maybe I want to tell the TAs that the student needs to speak up more. And I just record that right there. So you can always make these things bigger, smaller by clicking this kind of dot, this bottom corner right there. Oops.